Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we enable find my device setting in our Oppo phone, and guys how can you use guys your find my device setting in your Oppo phone. In this video friends I will show you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to enable find my device setting. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of settings. So how can you enable your find my device? Click on guys phone security setting. Third option guys, you can see find my device setting and tap here. Friends, you want to enable guys, you can enable from this right side. After enable guys, you can see find my device won't work, no Google account on this device. And guys, you can see guys your way to use your find my device. So when example for guys, I told you guys, you want to enable, you can enable your find my device from here guys. As you can see find my device web, and guys you can see find my device helps you locate this device remotely. If you lose the device, it also helps you keep your data safe. And guys if you lost your phone, so you can track your phone as well as. So like that guys, you want to enable your find my device, you can enable from here in your Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye guys.